Oh, hey, don't be offended, please, in any way, but, how do I put this? You're not supposed to be here. This is an unfinished Portal 2 test chamber, and you're in the box that the mapper made as a joke, actually. But, he's very far from finishing the actual, test. So, if you would, could you please just press that button in the corner there? It'll bring you back to the main menu screen, and both of us will be able to continue on with our lives, so, it'll be a lot easier if you could just press the button. If you haven't pressed it yet, could you just press the button? Press it. Okay, I'm giving you another chance. Just go back, press the button, leave, don't come back. It'll all be okay. The real test chamber will be released in maybe well, I don't know. Let's see, maybe like 4 months. Yeah, probably around 4 months. Just turn around, leave that. No, where'd it go? Why'd it? What? There's not supposed to be a test chamber here. This doesn't even look good. The connection to the exit door isn't even working properly. Here's an idea. You see that button on the wall labeled with a suspiciously red X? Yeah, if you could press it, we could open up the door and see what's on the other side. Let me just remove the safety glass and, okay. Oh, wow, you're a lot smarter than I thought. Of course you'd expect that button would disconnect you. Alright, well, but in all honesty, I'm pretty mad that I wasn't told about this room. Like, it's not even completed. Look, if I open the door, yeah, here, look, see, look. It's just a wall. That's it. Okay, we'll have to get to the bottom of this. I think you've done enough. Press the button.
Commencing emergency shutdown in 3, 2, error. Numerical database is now non-existent. Plan B, some sweet tunes to get you in the mood. What type of music interests you? Please select the appropriate button.
Stop the river as it rushes to the sea. You can try to stop the hands of time, but you know it just can't be. And if they try to stop us, seaweed.
Welcome, let's get you out of here. I am going to ship you to another test chamber. Together we can achieve liberation. Probably. It appears you cannot get up. I will assist with that. Alright, let me turn on this pipe as well. You incompetent little...